So IIT exam is just around the corner, but you haven't still seen the full trend analysis and weightage analysis for your chemistry portion of your IIT exam. So this video is for you. So hi students, my name is Nitesh and I am chemistry faculty at SciAstra and I have done my masters from IIT Roorkee. And in this video I am going to step by step explain the trend analysis and weightage analysis of chemistry portion of your IIT exam starting from 2017 up until 2025 exam. So basically, let's start without wasting any further time. So basically, let's first analyze the weightage of your 11th and 12th portion and see if your 12th is more important or your 11th is more important or both are equally important. Okay, so if you can see here right in front of you, class-wise weightage for 11th, 42.74% is your weightage, right? And for your 12th, 57.26% is your weightage. So you can see directly that 11th and 12th both are almost equally important. If you are going to leave 11th class, you are going to leave 42% of your chemistry paper, or if you are going to leave 12th class, you are going to leave 57% of your chemistry paper. Okay, so basically you can't leave neither 11th nor 12th. Okay, now if you are going to see the portions, so inorganic is 28.2%, physical is 33.8% and organic is 38%. So basically all the portions, physical, organic and inorganic, are equally important. You can't afford to miss 28 or 33 or 38% of the portion. So basically all the portions and both the classes 11th and 12th are important, so don't miss them. Okay, so now let's see the detailed year-wise analysis of your chemistry portion of your IIT exam starting from 2017 IIT exam up until 2025 IIT exam. So first let's see the chapters from which each and every year at least one question is coming. So the chapters which are very important. So let's start with the chapter which is your atomic structure. Okay, so if you can see almost every year at least one question has been asked from atomic structure. Then the next chapter is your thermodynamics. So there is not even a single year in which thermodynamics is missed by IIT. So IIT is each and every year putting the questions related to thermodynamics in its exam in the chemistry portion of the exam. So don't miss the thermodynamics part of your chemistry because it is very crucial for your IIT exam. The next one that you should see is electrochemistry. Okay, so almost each and every year again you can see at least one question from electrochemistry, so it is also very crucial. So now let's move on to the inorganic chemistry portion. You can see the chapter chemical bonding. At least each and every year there are 1 to 2 questions, and in 2021 3 questions were also asked from the same chapter, that is chemical bonding. So chemical bonding is very important. Okay, so apart from that you can see coordination chemistry of the inorganic portion. Again, same as chemical bonding, each and every year they are asking 1 to 2 questions from chemical bonding, and in year 2017 they asked 3 questions from chemical bonding itself. So you can see how important chemical bonding alone is, right? So now moving on to organic chemistry. So the important chapters in organic chemistry are, so if you can see the chapter hydrocarbon, each and every year almost one question is asked, right? In year 2025 2 questions were asked from hydrocarbon. So the next important chapter is aldehyde, ketone and carboxylic acid. So you can see that in 2017 they asked 4 questions alone from this chapter, and in 2025 they asked 3 questions alone from this chapter. Okay, so these were the most important topics of chemistry as per weightage. But if you want 60 on 60, I would recommend you to cover all the syllabus, because if you see other chapters as well, at least one question is asked every alternate year from all the chapters. If not every alternate year, after every 2 years they are asking at least one question from all the other chapters as well. So I would suggest you to not leave any chapter if you want complete marks, if you want full marks in your chemistry portion of your IIT exam, right? So then let's analyze the 2025 paper of IIT, because that is the latest paper which has occurred last year only. So let's analyze that properly. So if you can see the 2025 paper, right? The last section which you can see is 2025 paper. So in 2025 paper, one question was asked from atomic structure, then one question was from thermodynamics. So I told you how important are these 2 chapters, and you can see that equilibrium and solutions were nil, right? So basically it means they didn't ask any question from equilibrium and solution chapter. Then you can see electrochemistry. So 2 questions from electrochemistry were asked. One question was asked from chemical kinetics. So I told you electrochemistry is very important. They are asking each and every year the questions from electrochemistry. So don't miss it again. So in inorganic chemistry, they asked one question from periodicity and they asked two questions from chemical bonding. Again, I told you how important chemical bonding is, right? And one question was obviously from coordination and one question was from DNF block. So this was strange because they are not asking DNF block from the past few years, but in 2025 they gave a question of DNF block. So it is an indication that you can't miss any chapter because you can't predict which chapter will be asked in this year's exam. Okay, so now moving on to organic chemistry. So if you can see, no question was asked from GOC, two questions were asked from hydrocarbon, right? Alcohol, phenol and ether and haloalkenes were nil again. So basically no questions were asked from these chapters as well, right? And aldehyde, ketone and carboxylic acid, you can see they asked 3 questions alone. So 3 questions from 15 questions were asked from a single chapter, aldehyde, ketone and carboxylic acid. So you can see how important this chapter is. Then amines and biomolecules were also nil, so they didn't ask any question from amines and biomolecules. So the thing about organic chemistry is the paper of organic chemistry in last year IIT exam was a bit strange because they just asked questions from 2 chapters, right? But it does not happen every time. Okay, so see, this was the year-wise trend analysis and weightage of each and every chapter. So if you are a kind of student who doesn't want to prepare for each and every chapter, I would suggest you to at least prepare for these chapters which I am marking right now. Okay, so basically these are the chapters that you should definitely do. First one is atomic structure, second one is thermodynamics, third one is electrochemistry, then fourth is your chemical bonding, fifth coordination, right? And then in organic chemistry, you have to see general organic chemistry, hydrocarbon and aldehyde ketone. So if you can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So I would suggest you to at least prepare these 8 topics, these 8 chapters perfectly so that you can at least do 8 to 9 questions in your IIT exam. So if you want to find a particular platform which can exclusively prepare you for IIT and NEST exams at the last moment, so you can check out our crash courses on our website. So basically we are offering 4 different types of crash courses. The first one is a personalized crash course which will provide you with a personalized mentor at the last time, which will help you and guide you to prepare for IIT and NEST exams. The second one is a crash course combo in which you will get both the preparation for IIT and NEST. So basically if you are preparing for IIT as well as NEST, you can opt for that crash course in which you will get detailed preparation for both the exams. And then there are 2 different crash courses, one for IIT and one for NEST, for the students who are just preparing for IIT or just preparing for NEST. So you can explore our crash courses on our website. You can also download our Cyastra app in which you can explore these crash courses. If you have any query, you can leave your comment in a comment section and you can also reach out to our Cyastra support team. Till then, keep preparing, be happy and see you in your dream institute. Okay, bye bye.